Hey friends, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can make videos like mind your decision, and I've asked him in the comment a lot of time but he never answered me. So I started thinking about it, how could I know it, how to make it, and just after it, after 6 weeks, hooray, I found it, the hack. That was hidden in video scribe, and I only came to know about it when I saw his earlier videos in which he was using the video scribe, but a different view was there. He was using differently. So if you are using their hand comes here. So he's simply do it. He just do the animate time zero like this. It will be appearing like this as if she is seen in his videos and animate zero and for just go about it. You can see here this appeared, and this moved away. But when you're using video scribe, you don't know how this happened, why this moved away. So there was a little trick there. You have to choose an object that is too much small to be seen. So its frame is, you can see its frame is this, but the frame of this is too low, and I'm not using my hand, I'm using move. And also in the move option, I'm using the hand, and I'm using the hand that is no hand. Just showing you another example that I have any picture. You can see like this. I'm having this picture. This is some symbol of that it's a video of loss. You can see that if I'm doing so small, it will not be showing. But in raw, I have to do this, and I have to use move in, and now the hands. This transparent hand, and then it will be a video like, just delete it, and this will be also working like that. Now this you can see that